Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could do the mirror switch thingamajiggy on TikTok. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then here's an example right now. So that is what the video looks like, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you could make one as well. For this video, I'm going to be teaching both my iOS and Android users, so if you're one of them, then keep watching. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications and being active as always. Thanks to these fam, and now let's get on with the video. So for this video, I'm gonna get started with my iOS users, so if you're one of them, then keep watching. And for my Android users, I'm gonna be doing yours on halfway of this video, so I'm gonna be putting a time frame down in the description for you guys to click on, so you can click on the Android part of this video. And now back to my Android users. Before we get started, you're gonna be needing a few things. The first thing that you're gonna need is a mirror, like a big mirror. So usually bathrooms have big mirrors, so just go to your mirror and all those stuff. And for the apps, you're gonna be needing the TikTok app, the iMovie app, the rotate flip thingamajiggy, and also you're gonna be needing the reverse app. So before we get started filming, the first thing that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be finding an audio that we want to use for this video. So since this is just a tutorial, I'm gonna be using the same audio as what I used in the example video, and which is this one. And again, to save the audio, you're just gonna have to go ahead and pick on any of the videos right here, click on the share option, and click on save video. And once you have done that, then the next thing that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be filming our video. And for this one, by the way, you're gonna be needing a big mirror. Like usually we have big mirrors in the bathroom, so if you want, you could film it in the bathroom. And since I have it like right here in the corner, we're gonna be filming our video right here, and I'm gonna be showing guys how it's done. Once you have your audio saved to your camera, the next thing that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be filming our video. And to do that, we're gonna be going into the camera app, and as you can see, it is right over here. As we scroll to the left, we're gonna be using the video option for this one, and then also our front-facing camera. So go do that right now. And basically how this trick works is that people go ahead and go like this into their cameras, and then as they go ahead and go right here, they go ahead and like kind of like cuddle with the twin or something. They're gonna be going like that, and then the next thing you know, the camera is actually inside the mirror, and it went through like, whoa, with this right now. And I'm gonna be showing you guys right now how to exactly record this. By the way, to the people who are wondering how to get this thing right here, basically to do that, you're gonna be going to the settings right here, go to your camera option, and mine, it is right over here. And as you can see, one of the options is says grid. Just turn that on, and it helps you to film this video. Another thing, by the way guys, when you are filming this, is that make sure that when you're filming, like the line where the mirror starts, which is like right here, make sure that it goes right here into the middle of your recording. So basically when I'm recording, I'm gonna go like that, and make sure again to align it into the middle of your screen, just like that. And the more middle that you do it, the more better it's gonna look later on when you edited this video. So let me film mine right now. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it. And once you have done that, that is pretty much it. Stop recording right now, like stop it. The next step that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be going into the iMovie app. So let's just go ahead and go to iMovie. Once you get into this page, just go ahead and press on the plus sign right here. Click on movie, and we're gonna be selecting the video that we just recorded, which is this one right over here. And also we're gonna be selecting the audio that we just saved from TikTok, which is this one right here as well. Once you have selected two of those videos, just click on create movie. And as you guys know, every time that we do this, we're gonna be clicking on the audio first, and we're gonna be clicking on detach and background. And for the video part of the audio, we don't need that anymore, so we're gonna be pressing on the clip right here and click on delete. And now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be finding the part where you actually recorded this correctly. And once you have found the part, we're gonna be using our two fingers, and then we're gonna be rotating this video right here so that we don't have any black sides in our video. So right now I'm just gonna be finding the part where I actually started doing it for the TikTok. For me, my video started right over here when I showed the camera and everything like that. So once you have found the part, just go ahead and click on split, and to the left side right here, we don't need it anymore, so just press on delete, and you should have something like this so far. And what you're gonna do next is that you're gonna be finding the part where you actually started hugging the mirror, like hello me too or something. For me, the part is right over here, so we're gonna be going ahead and click on the clip right here. click on split and delete. And as you guys may notice, the audio is cut off at the moment, but that's okay because we are not done editing this yet. So once you have done that, press on done right now. Click on the share option and click on save video, and also save it to the highest quality possible, and for me that would be 1080p. And once it is done exporting, the next step that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be going to reverse vid. So just go ahead and open up your app real quick, and it's going to be this one right here. Just go ahead and press on library, and the video that we just exported from iMovie, which is this one right here. So just go ahead now and press on choose, and it is now loading up our video. Once it is done loading up, we're going to be pressing on save right here and click on save video once again. Once it is done saving your video, the next step that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be opening the rotate flip app. So just go ahead and go to RFV or rotate flip thingy-majiggy, and once you're on the page right here, just click on the video option right here, click on video, and we're going to be selecting the video that we just exported from reverse vid, and it's going to be this one right over here. Press on select. And for this part right here, we're going to be selecting the rotate option, which is the second one on the bottom left, and it's going to be this one right here. So it should have done that. And once you have done that, press on save right here. The next step after this one is that we're going to be going back into iMovie. So just go ahead and go open up your iMovie app. Once you're back right here, just open up the recent project that we just created, and it's going to be this one right here. We're going to be pressing on the plus sign right over here and click on video. And we're going to be selecting the video that we just exported from rotate flip app, and it's going to be this one right over here. And once you have imported it, before we play this video, we're going to be going ahead and muting each and one of them. So for the video clip right here, let's go ahead and mute that by clicking the volume option and clicking the volume icon again to mute it, and do the same thing to the other one. Just click on the volume option and click on the mute option just like that. So when we play this video, then we should have something like this. Just like that. As you could see, like magic right now. What is this? Anyways, as you could see, it is actually really cool. It looks like you went through the mirror or something like that. I know at the moment that it looks obvious kind of that you just switch it like that. Like, that's okay fam, because we're gonna fix it in 2 seconds. Just make sure that your video clip ends to where your audio ends. And for me, my audio ends right over here. So to fix that, we're gonna be clicking on the end right here. Just match it to the end of the audio. Click on the clip, click on split and delete. So you should have something like that. No extra audios or no extra video clips at the end. Once you have done that, just press on done sign right here. Click on the share option. Click on save video, and as always, export it to the highest quality possible, and for me that would be 1080p. And as you can see, it is done saving our video. So now let's go ahead and go into TikTok, and let's share this to the world, and let's show them what we got. So once you're on your TikTok, just press on the plus sign right here. Click on upload and click on the video that we just exported from iMovie, and it's going to be this one right here. If video is rotated like this, just go ahead and click on the rotate option until you get the right rotation, and for me it's gonna be this one right here. So just press on next. And if you guys remember, in between those 2 clips, it looks like that we switched just like that. And to fix that, we're going to be adding a little bit of effect. Just go to effects section on the bottom left. It's going to be this one right here. And you could actually scroll this red thing right here. So just drag it until the part before that thing popped up. I just noticed I have something right here. Like, what is that? And as you can see, we switched right over here. And the best effect to use for this one, it's going to be buzz. So just do it a little bit of buzz. So I'm going to do that right now by holding it. And just like that, we should have a little bit of smoothness into our transition. So let's just press on save, and let's see what we have so far. Anyways, that's how it's done, my fam. So if you guys are gonna make your very own, make sure to put in the hashtag #SkyesFam so I could watch your videos and hopefully react to them in the future. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I will try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on all the way social medias, in which the links will be in and down below. And yeah, by the way, if you have a Discord, join the Discord server. We play Roblox there every single night if you guys want. I'm gonna be leaving the link down below if you want to join our Skies Fam group chat. It's fun, and also talk there most of the time, so that's fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay. Bye! Just kidding, Android time! And now for my Android users, before we get started, you're gonna be needing a few apps. And those apps are the TikTok app, the KineMaster app, and also the Reverse Vid app. I'm gonna be leaving the links to download those apps down in the description for you guys to download those apps if you don't have them yet. And yeah, once you have all of those apps, the first thing that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be finding a song that we want to use for this trend. So right now, just go ahead and go into your TikTok app, just like that. And since this is just a tutorial, I'm gonna be using the same song as what I used in the example video, and it's gonna be this one right here. Again, to save the audio that you want to use, just go ahead and click on the share option right here and click on the save video. Once it is done loading, the next step that we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna be filming our transition. So right now, just go ahead and click on the camera app because we're gonna be filming our transition right over here, and we're gonna be using the video option, so just like that, and also the front facing camera. So that is the front facing camera right here. So say hello to yourself right now. And basically guys, for this trend, you're gonna be needing a big mirror just like this. Usually big mirrors are in the bathroom, so if you have a big mirror in the bathroom, you could use that one. And I'm gonna be using this one right here so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Basically how this works is that people go ahead and record their TikToks just like this. They say hello or something like that, and then they're gonna be going right here. They're gonna be hugging themselves in the mirror, and they're gonna be going just like that. Once you're in this one, you're gonna stop recording just like that, and that is pretty much it. Also, one more tip that I have for you guys: when you are filming, make sure that wherever the mirror starts, that it starts right here in the middle, because the more middle that it is, the more it looks like you're going inside the mirror, and it's gonna look much cooler. So I'm gonna be filming mine right now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how it's done. And we are done. Once you're done, just go ahead and stop recording. And now the next step that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be going into KineMaster. So let's just go ahead now and open up our KineMaster app. Once you're in your KineMaster app, we're going to be going ahead and press on the plus sign right here. And it should take us to this page right over here. Once you get into this page, we're going to be clicking on media. And we're going to be importing the video that we just recorded, which is this one right over here. And you should have something like this over here. And before we do anything else, the next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to be cropping our video to where we actually started filming for our TikTok. And for me, I started right around this area right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the clip right here and click on the scissors and trim to left of playhead. That means it's going to delete whatever's on the left side of the line right here in the bottom. So you should have something like this so far. And what you're going to do now is that you're going to be cropping the part where you actually touch yourself in the mirror. And for me, it's going to be this one right here. So just like that should be fine. So now we're going to be clicking the clip here again. We're going to be clicking on the scissors and click on trim to right of playhead. And you should have something like this. Once you have done that, the next step that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be going ahead and exiting our project. Once you have exited your project, just click on it again, click on the share option, save this video to the highest quality possible, and for me that would be 1080p. And now it is exporting. Once it is done exporting, as you can see, it is right here on the right side. Just go ahead and click on the share option and click on upload to photos or gallery depending on your device, and that's pretty much it. So the next step that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be going into the next app, which is called Reverse. So we're going to be opening it up right here, and as you can see, it takes you to this page right here. We're going to be pressing on start reverse and also choose movie. And as you can see right here, the video that we just exported from KineMaster, it is right over here. So just go ahead and press on that one, and you should have something like this. Just press on start, and when you get into this page right here, just go ahead and click on start reversing. Once it is done, the next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to be going back into KineMaster, and we're going to open up the project that we last used, which is this one right here, and click on edit right here. The next step that we're going to be doing on this one is that we're going to be clicking on media, and we're going to import the video that we just exported from the Reverse app, and for me it's going to be this one right over here. Once you've imported your video, the next step that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be clicking on the clip right here, which is the video that we exported from the Reverse app, and we're going to be clicking on rotate / mirroring, and we're going to be selecting the first one, which is this one right here. So you should have something like this, and when we play this, it should look like this. And as you can see, that's how our video looked like. And the next step that we're going to be doing now is that we're going to be importing our audio. So just go ahead and click on layer right here. Click on media. We're going to be selecting the video that we just exported from TikTok. Once you have imported it, as you can see, it is covering our video and we don't want that to happen. So you know what we do here, we just drag it and get out or something like that. So right now we're going to be dragging this again, holding onto this and drag it out like get out. And now it is not covering our video, and that is what we wanted. So right now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be matching your audio with the video. So just go ahead and do that real quick. So just finish editing mine and you should have something like this. Whoa, magic right now, as you can see over there. So that is how it's done. And now once you think that you are done, just go ahead and click on the share option in the top left. Click on your project, click on the share option, save it to the highest quality possible. Once it is done exporting, the last thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be getting rid of the black bars. Because if you guys remember, we have black sides in our video and we don't want that in our video. So to fix that, we're going to be pressing on crop and trim. Click on the crop option, crop again, and we're going to be selecting the video that we just exported from KineMaster, which is going to be this one right here. Once you get into this page, we're going to be pressing on portrait on the bottom right and click on check, and it is done saving our video. So once you're done, the next step that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be posting this on TikTok and we're going to be sharing to the world what we got. So right now, just go on your TikTok, press on the plus sign right here and click on upload, and we're going to be importing the video that we just exported. And it's gonna be this one right here. Just press on next, and we have one last step for this trend right here. We're gonna be pressing on the special effects section, which is on the bottom left, and what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be finding the part where we actually switch sides, which is this one right here. As you can see, we switch sides like what is this right now. And for this one right here, we're gonna be adding the buzz effect. It's going to be this one right over here. Just hold it out for a second or two, and just press on save, and you are pretty much done with your video. And press on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own mirror thingy-majiggy split, I don't know what it's called, then be sure to put in the hashtag SkySfam so that I could watch your videos and hopefully react to them in the future. So that is pretty much it for this video, and so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I will try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.